susuportahan ba ninyo ang isang batas na ating mapapasa para sa isang anti-dynasty law na matagal ang sinusulong ng ating saligang batas?
Hindi lang sa susuportahan yan ang pinakauna na piece of legislation na dapat natin ipasa because it is a matter of national survival. Ang ating mga governor, 70 out of 80 governors are already part of the political plans, not to mention yung mga congressman natin, at pati yung mga party list natin ang hawak na ng political dynasties. At sa dynasties na yan, dyan nagiging source ng corruption, electoral fraud, patayan doon sa mga local areas. We must pass an anti-dynasty law, and I will use my position as a labor leader, a mass movement leader, in order to mobilize the masses to also support that legislation.
Maraming salamat at good evening also to Dean Tuanyo. Kinakailangan tayo magkaroon ng basic agreement. What constitutes political dynasty? Kinakailangan muna natin ma-define kung ano ang political dynasty because there are good and bad political dynasty. But I am all for defining and legislating